So if you're wondering which of these LA Girl face primer you should get, then you should watch this video to the end. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, hello, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Destiny. I'm a Nigerian content creator here in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to my channel. Like, join this family. We're sending you a hug. Please say hello down in the comment section and let us know where you are saying hello from. Okay, today's video is a comparison video. Okay, so today I'll be comparing these two primer side by side. These are the LA Girl face primer. This is the LA Girl Pro face primer. Why this? No, this is the LA Girl Pro Prep face primer. Why this is the LA Girl primer spray. I have loved this face primer for the longest time, and I swear by this face primer, like, it's like my holy grail. But I just started using this one, the LA Girl primer spray, and I love it. Like, I love it. I just found it a couple of weeks ago and I love it. I've been using it ever since. You guys can see a new face primer is already like almost half gone. That's how much I use this face primer. I like it, but I'm super curious to see how both face primer will wear side by side, like we always do. Yeah, curious to see how they will wear. Okay. So my face is moisturized ready. Okay, so I'm just going to take the primer spray like on this side of my face. You guys know this primer is a silicone base, and for me, I love my silicone base primer. So on this side of my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl primer spray. So I think I'm just going to use this palette to I guess I put I put way too much. I'm just going to allow it to dry down. So the LA Girl primer spray has dried down, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. So that is how they look side by side. Let me know which side you're rooting for down in the comment section. Okay, so on this side of my face, my pores feels very like filled out, while on this side my pores just feels there. This side my face feels a lot smoother and matte, while this side my face feels very, very hydrating. So I'm just going to go ahead to prep my face like I'll normally do. So my face is prime. I'm going to go ahead to apply my foundation, but straight up, touching my face, this side still feels tacky than this side. This side is matte, while this side feels tacky. I don't think me setting my face, the way I prep my face, actually changed anything the way these primers they wear. So okay. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead to apply my foundation. So I've applied my foundation and this is how it looks. If you're wondering what foundation I'm wearing the LA Color Radiant foundation in chestnut, and I mixed it with the LA Girl foundation pigment in yellow. So I mixed these two together because I want to get that yellow undertone on the foundation. That's what I did. This foundation is an hydrating foundation, so I can feel like it's like, okay, the look of it, this side feels, they still feels like dewy together because obviously, but this side feels more dewy than this side, and this side my skin feels very blurry. My pores is kind of very blurry. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but anyway, let me go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and then you guys will see, and then we'll wait. But before I go, let's clock in the time. This is 12:30. This is 12:30. This is 12:29. Okay, so I'll probably wear this face for like 6 hours as usual. So this is my entire face done. This is how they look I've not set my face with a setting spray because I want to come here so that you guys see how it looks before I apply my setting spray. And this is how they look right now after applying everything. I really can't tell the difference. They both feels almost the same to me. This one doesn't feel too matte than this one. This one more hydrating. They both feels the same way. But like I said before, my pores on this side of my face is more blurry than this side. So for me, that's the only difference so far now. And this is how they look. I'm using the LA Girl setting spray. Guys, I love the setting spray, and this setting spray is the hydrating one. I have a video of me comparing this one and the LA Girl Pro setting spray, so you can go check out that video if you're interested to see how both setting spray wears. So this is what I'm going to just use to set my face. Okay, don't want to smudge that mascara. So this is how my face look with my setting spray. So let's do setting spray one. Okay, so this is how it look with the setting spray. So this is how they both look. I'm super excited to see how they are both going to turn out. So guys, let me know down in the comment section if you can tell any difference from the both face primer. So I'm going to be back later in the evening, let's say by 6:30, and then we're going to see how they wear and which one will I prefer. But right now, straight up, the one I'm preferring to the other one is the LA Girl Pro one, because it really filled out my pores and I have large pores and all that. So this one actually look way better now in person because of my pores being filled. In terms of feel and every other thing, this one is still okay. So anyway guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm back now. The time now is 7:07. Ooh, okay, the time now is 7:07 p.m. and that means I've had this face for over 6 hours 30 minutes. Yep, and this is how my face look, guys. Like, I know probably is when I'm editing it, I'm not like, oh, maybe this side is a kind of a little bit more oily than this other side and all that. Let me know down in the comment section what you can see. Which side do you think held up pretty better than the other? To just refresh our head again, I use the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer on this side of my face, while I use the LA Girl Primer Spray on this side of my face. So this is how they look. Let's just have these two side by side, and then I'm going to tell you guys my thought about it, what I can see like this. This is how they both look side by side, guys. Like, I'm just looking at it like If you look around my nose area, I don't know if you guys if the camera can pick it, around my nose area, I feel product has moved. But I also think it's because of Missy, because Missy has been trying to lick my face all day, trying to bribe me. Okay, so probably it's because of Missy. That's the only place I found out that, and that is where Missy licks on my face, my nose. So anyway, if you're wondering who Missy is my fur baby, so don't think it's a human being that's trying to lick my nose. Okay, this side feels a little bit more tight, like I have to like sink it in to feel like this side feels a little bit more matte, feels a little bit more matte than this side. But in all, I feel they both look almost the same, even though I feel this side has more oil than this other side. But for both of them, the both oils are coming through. Remind you, I use the LA Girl setting spray, and this one is an hydrating setting spray, so probably that's why my makeup looks very hydrating and all that. But still, I feel this side, correct me if I'm wrong, no, I think I feel this side has more oil. The silicone one has more shine to it than the hydrating one. So this one is supposed to be a matte primer, while this one is supposed to be an hydrating one. But I feel this one has a little bit more shine to it than this one. That's my feeling, like that's what I can see here. Okay, in terms of where, like I said before, the way my paws look here and here is totally different. This side, my paws kind of filled out, like looks more blurry than this side. But in terms of their longevity, the oils that come through, I feel it's almost the same. Like, let me know your verdicts down in the comment section, because the truth is that I can pick which. I love both of them. I like the way this one hydrates my face, while I like the way this one blurs my pores. So I use both of them side by side. So anyway, guys, that's about it for today's video, for today's comparison video. If you like such video where I compare products side by side, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So if you watch this video to this part, that means you like what you see. There's something that's kept you to this part. You've watched it to the end. That means you're the real MVP. So this is the part where you should check if you've subscribed. If you've not subscribed, this is the perfect time for you to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up again if you enjoyed this video. If you don't enjoy it, give it a thumbs down. It's also helping to know what type of content you like. Okay, so do that, please. Thank you very much. So with that all said, I'll see you guys in my next video. But before you go, I have other videos there, so you should check that out. Okay, check that out. All right, and then if you can find the subscribe button down there below, you see my face there, that is the subscribe button. Smash it, pam pam, and click all notification. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.